Have a good day. Today I'm going to share with you how to determine the effective width of flange for the reinforced concrete flange beam. Here is the structure layout plan with three span of beam, which is a continuous beam here and is simply supported here. So which is three span for x-axis and one span for y-axis. Okay, given here the beam size is 200 millimeter times 450 millimeter. So you have to draw this section, okay, which is the X section where I cut this section. Therefore, you will have three span of beam with a two span of L flange and two numbers of T flange. So for today's example, so I'm going to share you how to calculate this L flange, the effective width of flange for the L beam, and also the effective width of flange for the T beam. Okay. So the L naught is actually the length of the perpendicular to the X section, which is this length equal to 5 meter. Okay, you have to draw this free body diagram or this cross-sectional diagram of this continuous beam that is connected with three slabs. So here is your BW, the width of beam. Here is your BEFF, the effective width of flange of the beam that you are going to calculate. Here is a B1, here is a B2, here is a B3. Here is your B, okay? Means that your B is total of B1 plus B2 plus BW. Okay, we have a look on the first example for the L flange beam. Okay. The formula for BEFF, the effective width of flange, is equal to BW plus BEFF1. Because of the BEFF is only one side here because it is a L flange beam. Therefore, this part is your BW. So that's why the formula is BW plus BEFF1. How to determine this BEFF1? BEFF1 is equal to 0.2 B1 plus 0.1 L naught less than 0.2 L naught. Therefore, B1 is actually LAB. LAB is the length of this 4 meter. Okay. You minus with the BW and divided by 2 because it is half. Why we have to minus BW? Here is a from center to center. It is half BW. Here is half BW. So divided by 2. Okay, you will get the answer B1 is 1,900. Because of the length of each of these section is same 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, there is possibility of B1, B2, and B3 is same, which is 1,900 millimeter. We will see on the next example for T flange beam. Okay. Therefore, the BFF1 is equal to 0.2 time with the B1 1900 plus 0.1 time with the L0 5000 should be less than 0.2 time with the L0 5000. Okay, therefore the answer is 880 millimeter and it less than 0.2 time with the L0 1000. Therefore BEFF1 880 millimeter. So if you get the answer, BEFF1 is more than 0.2 L naught, therefore your BEFF1 is equal to 0.2 L naught. And at the end, the conclusion BEFF, which is here, is equal to BEFF1 plus BW is 1080. Should be less than your B. Your B is equal to B1 plus B2 plus BW. So B1 is 1900, B2 is 1900, which is 3,800 plus BW is 200 is 4,000. Therefore, your BEFF is less than B. Next is the example for T flange beam. Okay, so the formula for BFF for T flange beam, okay, is equal to BW plus BFF1 plus BEFF2 because they have two sides of flange. Okay, so it should be less than B. So as I said before, To determine the B1 is same as what we have done before. So in my case here, because of its length is same, okay, for LAB and LBC and also LCD. So that's why my B1 is equal to B2. Let's say if, for example, your B1 is 4,000, okay, 4,000, your B2 is 5,000, therefore B1 is not equal to B2. So how to determine the B2? B2 is equal to 5,000 minus with a BW divided by 2, then you will get your B2. So you have to be careful on that dimension. Okay, so in that case, okay, the BEFF1 is equal to BFF2 is equal 880 millimeter, same as what we got before. Okay, therefore, the total BFF is equal to BEFF1 plus BEFF2 plus BW, which is 1960 as less than B. Your B, as I said before, is 4,000 millimeter. Therefore, your BEFF is 1960. Okay, why we have to determine this effective width of flange? I would like to share with you. The importance of determining the effective width of flange is in application for flange beam design, because in order for us to make sure that the design is used rectangular method or flange method, we have to calculate the MUF, which is the ultimate moment of flange. In that formula, we have to know what is your BF value or BEFF. So I hope that by this sharing session, you will understand how to determine the effective width of flange. If you have any question, you may comment and share. You may comment and share or do WhatsApp me as usual. So that's it for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.